Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with another project share that I did on my channel with Mrs. Gigi for Scrap It Thursday. And we are doing this here where every week, once a week in December, we are doing a prompt regarding Christmas. And to this week's one is what makes you think of Christmas. Now, yesterday, which was December 8th, we did this one. And then December 9th, which was Thursday, is this one, okay? Now, I am trying to get back into things that I used to do, like planning, drawing, painting, and doing different things. So this is what I came up with that reminds me of, or makes me think of Christmas. The snow, the pine trees, lights and decor at people's homes. The snowman, when they start building snowmen from the snow. Different things. I mean, what makes you think of Christmas? Please put it down in the comments. I would love to see what makes you think of Christmas. So, thank you all for watching. Please be blessed, be kind, be caring, be safe. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. So, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. And remember, you are always where everything is made with love in every stitch. I will see you all in the next video, and on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.